What is your opinion about this topic? Is village life good or not?
My opinion about this topic is that both lives are good. But if you talk about village life, if you compare the pros and cons of these lives, so I would like to say that village life is better than the urban life or city life, because you can see that in village life you get fresh air and fresh water, and good atmosphere is available, and you will get a natural vegetation and fresh food that makes you healthy. And you can see that in urban areas the the children are slim and some are very fat, because of they are not having good diet, they are not having good food. So but in the village life, you can see that the children are having healthy food, and they are very healthy.
It's depend upon your diet. If you take good diet, so you are very a healthy person. You are a very good person.
So how will
it's
you
depend
get
upon your diet.
natural food? How will you get a natural food? As you know that in city life the chemicals are dropped in the fruits, and
Vegetable and fruits also come from village. So and then our sailors sells the vegetables. Then we buy and eat, cook and eat.
no.
Vegetable and fruits come from village. How can you say
Don't
that?
you know about don't you know about the farm farm fruits, like they are being they are being plucked from the trees which are not healthy.
Pluck from the trees which are not for healthy, which are not healthy for us.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes village people do some bad things. They add some chemicals, pesticides for us in the vegetables, in the fruits. It's truth.
No, it's not truth. I have seen.
You will not believe, but it's
So-
truth.
So why the village people are healthy?
Injection, chemical.
Yeah.
They add in the vegetables and fruits. And you know, if village water has finished, so our cities people have that kind of ability to they can make water by themselves in the industries, in the factories. But factories and industries are not available in the cities. You know, nowadays in century 2024, village people makes brick in the sunset, in the sunlight, but in our city life they make in the factory.
No, they are. That is not truth. In village life, you see that you see about the cultures, the temples, and the tradition.
Culture tradition are also follow in our city life.
No, that's not truth. You can see that there are a lot
Do you
of
not
person-
follow?
I don't follow. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Only sometimes I was.
Bro, it's your mentality. You are thinking
No.
that I'm living in city. I will not follow the rules, the
village,
culture.
listen, in village, every 1 kilometer you will get a temple. So how would you stop from going into inside the temple?
You know, our city has also temple, lots of temples.
I don't think so. Everybody has temple in their
Is
home.
here not temple is not available. When you go when you go outside from this house, you will get a big temple, the temple of Hanuman, Lord of Hanuman. There is also a temple available. You can worship in the temple. That's not that thing is different if you are not go in the village or if you are not go in the temple. That things are different.
And
You know their education system is not good. Village education system is not good. You know why? You know why village people come in our city for their education, because their education system is not good, that's why they come here.
No, I have seen a lot of person they go in the village for education.
No bro,
Here-
their education system is not good, why they go in the village?
Listen here, the education system is not good and the children are abusing in the school. So what will happen to the children? The
No,
children will
schools
obviously
are also available
learn
in
about the
village.
abuses.
Listen, schools are also available in village, but I am talking about after school, like college, universities. It's not available in the village, but
Yeah,
it's
so-
available in the art city.
No, there's no college in this city.
In the city there is no college. You don't do you know about Hindu college, Hansraj college?
That is out of the city.
That
That is in Delhi.
how can you say that it's up? It is in the Delhi, out of city.
And
There are so many universities. There are so many colleges.
Even foreigners are coming in India to study. The rate of education is very cheap in India. Like South African guys, they are coming, they are getting education here. If you go in Delhi North campus,
So
you
why
can
they
find
come
out.
in why they come in our city? Because education system is not good. Education is very necessary at this time.
Even that Indian education is also not good. Like if you say that Indian education system is not good, we can find that like rote learning is there.
Yeah.
Magap is
Magap.
I accept this. I accept that, but it's cities education system is better than village system.
If you see that, I have seen there are so many guys, they have completed their MA, MPhil, PhD, but still they are not able to get job. So
Yeah, in cities.
what would you say that?
in the cities, if you study too much but you are not getting job because you have to invest money, but in the village life you will get any job easily in a
Jobs
factory.
are not available. Good jobs are not available in the
In
village.
village, right?
But you
That's why they have to come in city life.
but in village you will get the money for your surviving, for your for running your home. You will get money.
So you get also money in the city for
No.
survival, for running your home.
I have seen a lot of person they have completed MPhil and MABA, but they are not having a job. They are wondering for job because there is not job in the city life.
There are so many jobs in the city's life, but their practice is not good. Those people who are preparing for IAS, IPS, why they are getting failed? Because their practice is not good. Their practice is not good totally.
The practice is not enough.
Their practice is not enough. They will have to do lot of struggle, lot
But
of hard
in
work.
Even when they are preparing for UPSC exam or IAS exam, they have to read again NCERT from 6th to 12th class.
Yeah.
So what were they doing when they were studying 6th or 7th or 8th class? So you can estimate that how is our education system, because they have to read again.
What would you like to say about
Even those are, if you see that in the government school, those who are the teacher, they are not having the good qualification. Even they are not well trained in India. If you go in Bihar,